You. Yeah, you. Anyway, hey, what's up guys? How you doing today? We're gonna unbox this huge air purifier from Winix. It is the 5300-2 air purifier that you can get on Amazon. 99.97% true HEPA. Now, I've had a false HEPA one before, and that's how you know it's good. You know what else you know it's good? It's made in South Korea. It's also where they're having the Olympics. So in essence, this is probably the best air filter in the world. Well, we're gonna find out. So let's unbox this thing. Ow. Just dropped it on my leg. I'm good at this. And remember guys, when you're unboxing stuff, always wanna safety first, cut towards yourself. You don't wanna cut a piece of drywall or a dog or anything that's, you know, over there. Just cut right towards yourself. All safe. Let's open this beast up. Ooh, how nifty, an instruction manual. Ooh, styrofoam. Ooh, an air filter. Guess we have to install the air filter ourselves. It's in a slippery bag. Or let's just tip it out this way. Box. Come on up here. Sit on Papa's lap. There you go. Well, what do you want for Christmas?
I want somebody to buy me from Amazon.
You heard it. I didn't say that. He said it. Or she. Could be a she. Well, there's tape. We got to take this tape off. And take this damn tape off. Get this damn tape out of here. This is our cord. With tape on it, of course. I think the theme here is just tape. There's a lot of tape everywhere. More tape right here. Let's get that tape off. Get this tape off. This tape off. Oh, more tape. Get that tape off. Oh, there's a whole other side of tape. I was hoping for that. Jeez. Okay, now that that's off, I think we can just kind of, oh, there goes that. Now we can remove that. Look at there. I think we have to take these out. Oh, there's a filter already in here. This is a spare filter for when this filter fudges up. That's awesome. Our knifey. Remember guys, cut towards yourself here. There we go. Oh, it looks like a big old fancy car filter. I'm not reading any instructions. I'm just going to do this how I feel is right. So, okay, so this is like a little, the black filter comes off, sits right in there, nice and cozy. And then I believe this goes, that damn tape. Get out of here. This goes in here, like that, like that. And then let's put this on. The lid here. Just kind of, I think it's magnetic. Yeah, it's magnetic. It's a little click every time you, very nice. They give you a fancy gold twist tie in case you want that for your hair or something. All right, so we're gonna plug this thing in and take her for a test drive. Alrighty, let's give it a whirl. Turn the fan speed up. That gets pretty loud. Plasma wave off. Plasma wave on. Okay, so it sucks in the air from the front and then it blows it out of the top here. Let's do some tests. Smells good. Ooh, I know another one. Let's light this black and mild up and blow the smoke into here and see if anything comes out the top. Let's see how good this thing's filtering. It says it's supposed to remove smoke and stuff from the air, so let's give it a test. There's no smoke coming out. That's a good sign. Let me show you this way. Ugh, now my mouth tastes like shit. Ugh. I thought I was gonna cut the video there, but I thought of one more test. This is the GermGuardian something 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 air filter. It's like one of the common ones you get on Amazon. I don't know the model number. It's the regular like $100 air filter you get on Amazon that a lot of people have gotten. A lot of good reviews on it, and that's why I got it. So we're gonna compare the loudness of this to the loudness of this and see which one's quieter or louder. So this is the GermGuardian on 1. This is GermGuardian on 2. This is GermGuardian on 3. That's pretty loud. Okay. Now, Winix on 1. Winix on 2. Winix on 3. And then Winix has 4 adjustable levels, and the last one has like a breeze blowing out of it. Not sure what that means, but let's try that one. Let's see what I think. Which one's louder? I think they're both about equally as loud as at the very highest setting. This one's a more deeper sound. This one's a more high-pitched sound. It's like a... But again, we have... Shut your mouth. I'm doing a video. No, I'll wait. But you have to take into account that this one has 1, 2, 3 settings, and I think those are equivalent to this. And then the 4th setting is just like a bonus unlock setting that you can unlock for super cleaning power or something. I don't know. But at its lowest setting, it is much quieter. Yeah, it's like, this is like twice as quiet as this at the lowest setting. At the medium setting, or at the 2nd setting, definitely, you can barely even hear like an increase in sound on this. This one just keeps getting louder. Okay, so my overall choice would probably be the Winix, honestly. I got this just because I saw good reviews on it as well, and I wanted to check it out. So I'm gonna be using it for the next couple months, and I'll do a review in like a month after using it, and give you guys a month later review of this. But yeah, guys, the link will be in the description below for both of these. I bought this one used, actually. I found this link on Amazon and I bought it used. I'll put the link down below, where the specific link where I got this, and it was like 50 bucks off or something like that because it was used. But when I just unboxed it, like everything was packaged new. I think somebody just like changed their mind and sent it back. So I would definitely look into that if you want to save some money. So I will put the link exactly for this one that I bought, so you might save yourself some money. And then I'll put the link as far as this one goes as well in the description below. You guys can hash it out for yourselves and figure out which one you want. But that's it for the video. I'm gonna go hang with my cleaning buddies. Thanks for watching. Bye.